welcome. Watch your heads, watch your steps. Use those handrails, folks. Watch your heads, watch your steps, and use those handrails. Welcome. We're gonna hit something now, hopefully. Everyone, wait, bye to everyone in the dock. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, we're never gonna see them again. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise, folks. I'll be your host, Skipper Nando, for about the next 1 to 3 hours. But that's just a few reminders. Before we do get started, please keep your arms, legs, and elbows and feet inside at all times. Please remain seated. Please watch your children. Children, watch your parents. Alrighty, folks, soon enough, we'll actually be seeing our first sign of danger real soon. So be very careful when I show you this. Look closer to your right. And there it is! Let me turn on the lights first. There we go. I did it. Danger! Ah! Yeah, horrifying, I know. I'm sorry, but don't worry. We're going to see something real cool real soon. For example, okay, never mind. I've got nothing. Oh, wait a second. Look over there. I found something. What is that? That's a really awesome... That's a statue. Woo! A statue! Yeah! Yeah, really cool, really neat. Seems to be having a great time. Really, it was having a ball. But anyways, we're going to make our way straight through an ancient Cambodian shrine now. I think it was built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Look close to your left, folks. That's a great Bengal tiger. They say they can jump up to 30 feet. Lucky for us, we're only 25 feet away. It'll go right over our heads, though. Just like most of my jokes, though. Ooh, watch out for Ginger. Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. I'm sorry, that was a really crummy joke. But we're going to exit the ancient Cambodian shrine now. Make our way straight through an Indian elephant baby pool. So feel free to take pictures, folks, where they do have their trunks on. Just make sure I'm not in any of them. My mom thinks I'm at med school. But anyways, look across. Looks like the whole herd came out to play today. You guys know what that is. Yeah, it's almost unheard of. But anyways, look across again. And you see, folks, that's what happens when you take too long in the shower. Hey, turn into an elephant. Almost happened to be one. For realsies. Just kidding. I don't shower. But look up ahead. And oh no, it's word, everyone watch out. Disneyland water. Toxic. Okay, we're good. He won't come back up. He's coming back up. Everyone duck! Duck! Goose. Yeah, don't worry guys. I wouldn't put you in any real danger. I lied. Let's go check it out. Yeah, we seem to be coming across what's left of Skipper Felix's camp. Brand new Skipper. But now thanks to him, we're looking dark off the shots. And they do me banana business, which I don't find very appealing. Yes, we better split. Oh, and if you like banana jokes, well, I do have a bunch. But just a reminder, folks, to those of you sitting in the back, you guys are sitting on the battery. A bit shocking, I know. Hopefully you don't find it too revolting, though. It does have its positives and negatives. But anyways, look up ahead. We're going to see the beautiful striker balls. Don't worry about it now, though. We'll be going over it later. Actually, who's ready to get wet now? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. I don't want to go wet. Straight up at David. We're going to head down the Nile River instead, which goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're probably in disbelief. But anyways, look closely to your left. We're going to see the rarest animal in the whole jungle. That's a great African bull elephant. Wow. Super cool. Yeah, look closely, folks. And we're never going to see one of those again. Until you look to your right, there's another one. Okay, we're going to make our way straight through the African belt now. If we're lucky, we might be able to see some zebras, some giraffes, maybe some lions. Couldn't guarantee any of it though. If I did, I would be lying. We'll look up ahead. Notice there haven't been any koalas on the Jungle Cruise. Well, unfortunately, they weren't qualified. Maybe that's here. Instead, we're going to see, oh, look at those kind lions taking care of that sleeping zebra. Oh, how nice of them. Oh. Yeah, we're just going to have to let him rest in peace for now. But look across again, and we found Skipper Felix and his crew. But rookie mistake, man. You see, folks, that's why you never argue with the rhino. Because they always seem to get their points across. In the end, Yeah, well, what do rhino? Oh dear! Okay, we're gonna make our way straight into a hippo pole now. Don't worry about it though, it's only dangerous if your ears are wiggling and if your bubbles blowing. That only happens when they're activated, and that only happens when they see people wearing Mickey ears. As long as no one's wearing any Mickey ears, it should be just fine. For those of you wearing Mickey ears, you're really doomed to saw. Everyone cover your ears! They're really scared of that clicking sound. It's scared of Stan. Yeah, looks like they wanted to charge our boat. We only take cash. We'll look up ahead. Notice there haven't been any bears on the jungle cruise, so they were found to be too unbearable and very bad. So instead, we're gonna see what's left of Skipper Felix's boat, now inhabited by a new crew. Yeah, it seems to be a prime example of a shipwreck crew. Anyways, as we turn around this quarter post, just look directly to your right in between those trees. Right to where I'm pointing at over there. You're actually gonna miss what's happening to your left, which is the pair of ships playing with some butterflies. I have to be honest though, those butterflies, they just ain't what they used to be. Caterpillars. And you guys have all been on the jungle cruise before, right? Yeah, you guys know what time it is. It's the time you've all been waiting for. It's the 8th greatest wonder of the world. It's the backside of water! Usually that joke gets a bigger reaction, and again, I only tell it periodically. But look across to your right, we're gonna see my personal favorite, the 9th greatest wonder of the world. It's the front side of rock. One of our boulder attractions. Yeah, don't take it for granted though. I think it rocks today. That's just me. Oh, something feels real fishy. Probably that spinny water! I'm sorry, I meant Hungry Piranha! Yeah, don't know how I got the hit from Hungry, don't care to find out. Let's get out of here. Look up ahead, we're gonna see a python in the tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G! Now it's turned right. Everyone else piranhas can't turn right. And I just saved our lives. You're welcome. But look up ahead, we're gonna see Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Your one-stop shop for all outdated merchandise. I hear their deals are real bananas though. And local cameras say goodbye. It's Baby Squirt. Stay tuned for the camera. Cheese! That was a bit excessive, but it's just... Anyways, as they approach the dock, a reminder to remain seated and keep your arms, legs, hands, elbows, and feet inside until we do come to a complete stop. And please remain seated. Yeah, you folks have been an outstanding crew, real outstanding, but soon I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. And outstanding than somebody else was like. If you guys did like today's cruise, my name was Skipper Nando. If you did not like today's cruise, okay. If you thought any of the jokes today were a bit weird, maybe even a bit strange, oh, just look across the screen. Ain't that a little bizarre? Let's see what they have in store for you. Get out. I'm sorry, I was really rude. Please, get out. Watch your heads, watch your steps, exit all the way down, please, all the way down. Don't cross over our center notches. It is a jungle cruise, not a jungle gym. Watch your heads, watch your steps, use those handrails. Have a wonderful rest of your night here at Adventureland, folks. Watch your heads, watch your steps, all the way down, all the way down.
That's all I really have to do, right? I'm like, do people like her tours or no?
Hello?
Hello.